Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Lezzglt Rain Boots for men, designed for ultimate waterproof protection. These boots are made from durable PVC rubber, perfect for keeping your feet dry in any wet environment. They feature an anti-slip sole, providing excellent traction whether you're fishing, camping, or working in the garden. Despite their rugged build, they remain lightweight, so you can wear them comfortably all day long. The boots also prioritize comfort with a thoughtfully designed fit that supports your feet during extended wear. Whether you're battling rainy weather or muddy terrain, these boots are built to handle it all. Stay dry, safe, and comfortable with Lezzglt Rain Boots on your next outdoor adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.